Hello again, Year 2. Here's your maths lesson for today. It's week 3, lesson 2. I just wanted to remind you about the times table rock stars that's been set up for you. The information was in your pack on Saturday. Have you had a go yet? I just had a go at my 10 times tables. Here are my results. See if you can beat me. I've just had a little look at who's been playing. Well done Alex, Rambir, Caden, Dylan, Ilias, Yassine, Arnav, Kavi and Kaysen. Come on the rest of you, get going. It's so much fun. Here we go with the rest of your maths for today then. Top marks again. Helicopter rescue today. I'd like you to go to count on and back. You're going to count on and back within the tens. Start with 1 to 10 and work your way through. How high can you go?
Count back 2 from 9.
1, 2. And
Count on 3 from 5.
Of course they get harder if you go up the levels. For the main part of your lesson today, we're going to be subtracting 2-digit numbers by counting back in tens and then ones. Let's see. Let's have a look at how we do it with this. So we're going to start at 76 on the 100 square and take away 35, but not all in one go. We're going to partition 35. That's just a fancy word for saying split it up into the tens and units. So here are those magic place value cards, and if we partition it or split it up, 35, you should know, is made up of 30 and 5. So we're going to take away the 30 first, and then we'll take away the 5. Here we are then with our 100 square. Here's our 76. And let's put the fly on there today. Now we're going to take away 30. We're not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on all the way up to 30. You should know that if we're taking away multiples of 10, we can just go up a line. So that's taking away 10, 20, 30. But now of course we've still got that 5 to take away. But it's 5 units or 5 ones. So we're simply counting back along the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer's 41. Some of you might be ready more for a paper and pencil method. Again by partitioning the numbers. So here it is, 76. Take away the 30. Some of you might be able to do that in your head and know that that's 46. You could have counted back on your fingers for that, couldn't you? 76 and we're taking away 30. So that's 66, 56, 46. So we've taken away the 30, but we've still got the 5 to take away. And 46 take away 5 is 41. Pretty easy to work out. Look, you know 6 take away 5 is 1. So 46 take away 5, you just put the 4 tens in front to give you 41. So you can use your 100 square if you want to, or use a pencil and paper method. But partition that second number. Take away your tens, then take away the ones or the units. Let's take a look at another one now. 58 take away 23. So you're going to start at 58, but you're not going to take 23 away in one go. Partition 23. What could you take away first? Here's 23, but if we split it up into tens and units, it's 20 and 3. So let's take away the 20 first. Let's use a spider for this one. So you're on 58, and we're going to take away that 20. 10, 20. So you've taken away the 20, but remember, you've still got the 3 to take away by counting backwards along the row, because it's units, not tens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 35. Here's a pencil and paper method you might like to use. 58 Let's take away the 20 first. Okay, you need to put 58 in your head and you're taking away 2 10s. 58, 48, 38. But remember, you now need to take away the 3. Hopefully you know that 8 take away 3 is 5. But you should have been doing 38 take away 3. So put your 3 10s back in front. Okay boys, get your whiteboards out and your whiteboard pens and have a go at this one. Use your 100 square to help you, or the pencil and paper method and some calculations in your head. Have a go. Did you land on 22? Or did you record it like this? Next, we're going to use some aliens and spaceships to create some subtraction sums, just like we've been doing. Now in your pack, you should find something like this. It's moving about on my screen, so I'll just make it still. And what you've got to do is subtract an aliens number from a spaceship number. You're going to create sums on your squared paper and work out the answers. So for instance, I could use the number 23 and 65. We've got an alien number and a spaceship number. But of course with subtraction, remember the biggest number has to go first. So you're always putting the spaceship number first. So there's my spaceship number and my alien number. I'd write it down on my squared paper and work out the answer. Can you try to do 10 of those? There are lots of different combinations you can choose. Now have a look at this page. It's in your pack. It's page 11. And remember, you can use 100 square to help you if you like. And don't forget that think about question. And your self-assessing with the traffic light system. If maths is really your thing and you want challenging even further, why not shake your dice 3 times to give you a 3-digit number? Then shake it twice more to give you a 2-digit number. Can you solve that subtraction? So you take away the 30 first. The hundreds are staying the same, the units are staying the same. But then you've got to take away the 4 units. You should know 12 take away 4 is 8. So your final answer is... Did you get that? If you'd like, challenge yourself to doing 10 of those on some squared paper. But please don't worry if that's going to stretch you a bit too far. We're getting a bit tricky now. See you tomorrow.